Hey, just wanted to do a quick review on this Rinnai FC824 natural gas heater. My garage was roughed in for gas, but I didn't want to have to do the venting, so I figured I'd try this vent-free option, and it's been working pretty good. I was just going to go through the setup because I had some questions about it, and there was some unclear stuff in the instructions as well. First off, I'm at about 4,000 feet here, so I had to set it for high elevation, which is gas position 14, and you can probably see my little write-up in there. If you turn the power on, which to me means the power button on top, it won't work. You actually have to just have the power to the unit, so it just has to be plugged in like it is right there. And then all you have to do is just push this little white test switch here. So you just hold it for a few seconds, and you can see it's blinking 14. Which is the setting that it needs to be for our elevation. To adjust it, it was just up and down, so now it's 13. And obviously 14 is what I need. And then just press it 3 times to get out of that. The second thing I had to do was set it up with a manometer in order to calibrate the pressure. So for high altitude, we needed 0.61 for the 824 on the low fire, and then on the high fire we needed 3.4. So I'll show you how to set that up as well. So with that, again, you just turn the heater on. You'll hear it come on. That's it lighting there. And then you just press that little white button again till you see the PL, which is low fire. The manometer just hooks into the gas port on the valve right there. And I just picked this up on Amazon. It was about 60 bucks. Anyways, we're looking for, what was it, 0.61, which obviously the scale on this is pretty low. Takes a second to dial in. It was blinking. Now it's gone solid, so it should be there. And you can see that scale starts at 0.4, and the second mark is 0.6. I'm sitting between 0.5 and 0.6. That's about as close as I'm going to get it. It was pretty much there when I hooked it up, so I didn't have to adjust it much. I did try going up a few clicks, but it kept saying that the filter needed to be cleaned and shutting off, so I adjusted it back down. Let's go to the high fire setting now. So I just press the button again. You can see that changed to pH. And give it a second. And for the high fire setting, we're looking for 3.4. So it's still blinking on the unit there while it ramps up. There it goes. Alright, and so you can see we're still a little low there. So what I'm going to use is I'm just going to use these up-down buttons. So I'm going to use the up button to get it to 3.4. So I'm just clicking it up slowly. There you can see it moving a bit. Okay, I'm going to call that 3.4. It's almost there. So that's between 3.2 and 3.4. Depending on how you look at it, it's right at 3.4. And then after that, all you do is you turn it off. You can see the gauge dropped all the way back down. And that's it. It's all set up. Now you can turn it on and it'll operate normally. Only thing left to do is to unscrew the manometer from that test point and put the plug back in. Just make sure you use gas rated thread tape, so usually the yellow stuff. And then it's always a good idea to give it a little spray with some soap and water just to see if there's any bubbles coming out. That'll tell you if you got a gas leak. Thanks. Bye.